Hello, I'm Leslie Logan. Welcome to my Pilates studio. Today we're going to do one of my pre-Pilates exercises, elbow slip. So the elbow slip is actually not necessarily a Pilates exercise. It's an exercise that one of my teachers taught me, and I love it for helping you warm up your center and also understand the longest round shape you can make. It is excellent for replacing any flexion exercise in your Pilates practice, any rolling exercise. So in my Intro to Pilates classes on onlinepilatesclasses.com, I teach this at the very beginning because when you do my weekly subscription, I want to make sure that if you can't do a more advanced flexion, you're like, but I can do that elbow slip. Okay, so it's a really, really awesome exercise. Also, I have another pre-Pilates exercise on here called half roll back, and that one will make more sense after you've done the elbow slip. You can always make it a go-to, but sometimes if you're just learning it for the first time, it could feel like nothingness, and the elbow slip will definitely make it feel like something, right? So what you want to do is prop yourself up on your forearms. Have your knees and feet tight together, your feet a little further away from your seat than you think. And go ahead and sink into your shoulders. Okay, now that you've done that, get out of them. So I kind of lift my chest, but I don't puff it, right? You want to keep your tailbone reaching to your heels. And then what you want to make sure of is that you're not putting too much weight in your forearms. You got to squeeze the back of your legs together here, and then you reach one arm forward, and then you pull it back. It should just slide right in, like slip the other one out, pull it back, reach and reach. And the goal, I'll show you from this angle, is that you're trying to not lean, like this would be leaning, right? That's not it. Everything stays still. Okay? Yeah, got it? So that's what you want to feel without your feet lifting, right? So the more your seat works, the more your hamstrings stay engaged, then you can reach both arms forward and pull them back. And both arms forward and pull them back. If you're dropping, right? If you're moving, that's not sliding. Everything stays and just the arms go back and forth. Okay? Because then, if you're like, oh my God, Leslie, I can't do a roll up, trust me, if you practice this elbow slip, the hardest part of the roll up is right here. That's where the elbow slip is working. So anytime you can't do a flexion exercise in Pilates, if you're taking my mat classes, do the elbow slip. Whew. It'll make your abs burn and it'll make your seat work. It'll teach you a lot about how to control your center. Thank you so much for watching this. I can't wait to see you next time. And make sure you also check out the half roll back if you're looking for a pre-Pilates exercise here on my channel or on onlinepilatesclasses.com.